Sir, High Court has disposed of the petition concerning the Sonsodo waste issue. What is the final order?
See, today we produced the pictures of the shed, etc. in the Sonsodo site. The High Court was satisfied with the work that is carried out by the GWMC, and they have disposed of the petition. There are certain works which, minor works which remain to be done. Those works the municipality will complete, and they have said that there will be a time-bound thing that will happen as far as municipality is concerned. Further, there is a high-powered committee who is going to take a decision about the further progress and further works to be carried out at Sonsodo, that the High Court has left to the high-powered committee. That decision also will be taken by the high-powered committee. And basically the High Court was satisfied with the work that is completed, and even the municipality's work, which was time-bound, that is substantially completed. One work remained to be done is about the construction of a retaining wall. The High Court has granted extension up to the end of June for that work, and that application also got disposed of. So presently, as far as Sonsodo issue is concerned in the High Court, it is closed and the petition has been disposed of.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.